Hello mbirdTrainers. I have some fantastic news to share with you today. I'm thrilled to introduce an exciting new feature on my channel that will bring you even closer to the world of canary breeding and bird keeping. I am launching memberships. Let's dive right in. I've created 2 fantastic membership levels to enhance your experience on my channel. Level 1 membership, known as Canary Enthusiast, offers you some exclusive perks. First, you'll get custom badges that will make you stand out in our community. These badges are a symbol of your dedication to our channel. Plus, you'll receive ASAP comment replies, meaning your questions and comments will receive priority responses from me. Your voice truly matters. But that's not all. For our Level 2 membership, the Breeding Insider, I am granting you access to something very special. You'll have a key to the breeding folder, a private space where I'll share exclusive content. This includes my breeding forms and stunning canary photos that you won't find anywhere else. And here's the exciting part, I am committed to making this experience even better for you. Every month, I'll add fresh content to the folder. Expect new photos and PDFs filled with bird keeping tips that will enrich your knowledge of canary care. So, how can you join the Canary Enthusiast or Breeding Insider membership levels? It's simple. Just click the join button next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And don't worry, I won't leave you in the dark about new folder updates. I'll keep you informed through our channel's community tab, so be sure to check it regularly. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for being part of our growing canary-loving community. Your support is invaluable to me, and I am thrilled to embark on this exciting journey together. Thank you for your continued enthusiasm and passion for canaries. I can't wait to see you as part of Canary Enthusiast and Breeding Insider memberships. Stay tuned for more incredible canary content, and as always, keep your canaries singing.